Morning, everybody. This is Corey Windler. I guess I got to tell you something interesting about me. So if I had to pick something interesting, it'd be that I'm an avid bow hunter. I've shot several big deer with my bow, two of them over 160, 170. And if you're a bow hunter, you know that's a pretty big accomplishment. Other than that, I'm a pretty boring guy. I just work, take care of kiddos, and farm a little bit. What do you do and where do you work? I currently am a 7th and 8th grade math teacher at Mays Middle School in Mays, Kansas. I've taught there for a year now. It's been a good transition for me. I used to teach in Wichita. Taught in Wichita for 9 years. Taught 7th grade math mostly, but I did teach a little bit of 8th grade. So it's been a good thing for me to move to Mays. 3 long-term and short-term goals. I guess one of my long-term goals is to just continue to develop into the leader that I'm called to be. I just hope that I can continue to do that and can work with people, because we're nothing without the people that we work with and the people we interact with. So I hope that I can continue to work on that. One of my short-term goals is to finish up this program. I will be done with all my classes this summer, and I will focus on doing some of my hours next fall and next spring and be finished up, and I am looking very forward to that. The fourth thing, what do you hope to learn? One thing I hope to learn is just how curriculum is developed in the classroom and how do we work for different things. I guess I'm a little bit interested in especially math because that's what I teach, but I always kind of wondered how they determine what curriculum to pick for the school district and this and that. Coming from Wichita, a little different than Mays. So anyways, that's a little bit about me, and hope you have a good day.